This is Beautiful Layered Florals Creativity Kit from Alta New. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. This kit will help you create a plethora of beautiful handmade projects, featuring stamped and die-cut layered florals. The stamps, dies and papers in this kit all work together perfectly, be that on cards, journals, scrapbook pages or even home decor. In the kit you will receive bride-to-be stamp and die bundle, layered floral elements die set, doodle dots cover die, reflection 6x6 paper pack. An exclusive project guide is also included to help kickstart your creativity. For more information on Beautiful Layered Florals Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altanew.com.